Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to Sherilyn and Food Etc. Today we are going to broil some salmon steak. It's very easy and tasty, so let's go started. So I got two salmon steak slices and it's around 2 inches thick. I'll try it with a paper towel to get rid of some moisture. We also need some lemon wedges, 2 garlic cloves, spicy Dijon mustard, breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper for seasoning. And we also need a little bit of butter. So let's finely chop the 2 garlic cloves. So make a little cut on both oval salmon steak. Squeeze lemon wedges on both slices. Then rub minced garlic into salmon steak. And season generously with salt and pepper. Spread some spicy Dijon mustard on top of your fish slices. Spread it to cover the whole steak. Then sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top of fish. Then spread it out to cover the whole fish slices. So let's transfer our salmon steak in a baking sheet lined with foil, and then first of all we put some oil or grease it so the fish won't stick on it. Gently transfer your salmon steak into your baking sheet. Set your oven into broil on high. Now we can put our steak inside the oven and broil our fish for 8 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, pull out your steak from the oven and let's put some butter quickly. Then we're going to put some thinly slices of butter on top of our fish. Put it back into our oven and leave it for 2 minutes. So here's our yummy broiled salmon steak, looking good and delicious. Let's squeeze some lemon wedges and enjoy this yumminess. And this is best served with some salad on the side. And hope you guys enjoy it. So here you go guys, our ready to eat salmon steak. Hope you guys enjoy and try this recipe, and thank you for watching everyone. Hope to see you again on my next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and put a comment down below. Thank you.